When a patient presents with breathing difficulty, they may be suffering from impaired gas exchange. Impaired gas exchange occurs when lung function is compromised due to disease processes such as COPD or physical stress. A point-of-care device that immediately provides direct measurements of the lung's oxygen and carbon dioxide gas levels, along with other related respiratory parameters, is critical for quickly assessing and supporting treatment decisions. Rapidly getting to the core of gas exchange efficiently could make all of the difference in time-sensitive respiratory decision-making. That is why we at Medipines invented the first FDA-cleared portable gas exchange monitor, AGM-100. The AGM-100 is a non-invasive respiratory medical device that effectively assesses a patient's lung status in just a few minutes. To obtain the results, the patient simply breathes normally into the breathing circuit, and the AGM-100 analyzes the exhaled gas samples. The medical device displays lung status in real time. AGM-100 outputs critical respiratory test results, typically in under 2 minutes. Clinical studies have demonstrated that AGM-100 works and is clinically effective in identifying abnormal from a normal gas exchange, which is the primary function of the lung. The AGM-100 has broad clinical uses and is FDA cleared for use in any qualified healthcare facility. AGM-100, non-invasive, actionable data at your fingertips.